Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. In my last Clean and Decorate With Me video, I talked a little bit about how I felt that this space did not flow. Once I added the accent wall and added the new wall art, it just did not flow with the mosaic panels. And then I have a side table as well as a faux plant down here. So this video is pretty much going to give you tips on how to make a room flow. A lot of you guys really like the rug, so I do plan to keep that for now. But if you're interested in how I made this room flow better, then keep watching. The first technique that I used to help the room flow better was I added an accent wall. And this is pretty much the focal point of the room. So when anyone walks into the room, this is what I want them to be focused on. I had the accent wall professionally installed, and I will link that video below. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So one of the first things I did was I went into my local Ross and I found these mid-century metal wall art pieces, and they were only $19.99. I end up picking up three, but I only used two, and I'm not going with any type of mixed metals theme in the space, so I am going to spray paint these using the Rust-Oleum metallic in the color aluminum. Okay, lifestyle lovers, here is a look of the wall art completely spray painted with the Rust-Oleum aluminum spray paint. I am going to allow them to dry overnight, and then I will hang them tomorrow. Okay, lifestyle lovers, although I am taking the wall art down, I have decided that I am going to use this in the space. I am going to remove the old hardware, patch up the holes in the wall, and then I'm going to do my measurements to make sure that the wall art and the new abstract wall pieces are centered in the middle of the wall. Okay, lifestyle lovers, one tip on helping a room to flow better is to bring in some cohesiveness. So one of the main reasons that I decided to spray paint the metal wall art is simply because the rest of the decor in the space, such as the wall sconces on the accent wall as well as the bookshelf or entertainment center, both of those are a silver tone metal. You can also use similar fabrics to help a room flow, as well as similar colors in the room. But in my case, I use the metals. Okay guys, so what I ordered was a tripod lamp from Wayfair. And I've been wanting one of these lamps for a while now. So it's kind of like a silver color. It doesn't look like it's going to be hard to put together, but so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start assembling this lamp, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. So, oh yeah, it has like 9-piece screws, so it may take a minute for me to put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this, and I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay. Okay, lifestyle lovers, y'all can go ahead and put me on the short bus right now. By the time I was almost done assembling the lamp, I realized that I had the legs turned the wrong way. They were actually too close together. So I had to completely take them apart. Well, I had to take at least two apart and turn them back the right way so they could be spreaded apart as they should have been. And then after that, I had it correct. So as you're looking at me now, it was completely wrong. Okay, lifestyle lovers, another tip that I'm going to give you to help a room flow better is to add room between your furniture. So as you can see, I have the side table and the faux plant, and although they are two small pieces, it does take up more room than the tripod lamp will. So you will see how it just opens the space between the accent chair and the sectional and just make it looks bigger, or at least it did to me. So you can comment below and tell me what you think. And I am using the daylight bulbs for the tripod lamp. And here is the finished look, lifestyle lovers. So just by adding similar finishes on my decor pieces in the space, as well as adding more room between the furniture pieces, it allowed the space to flow a lot more than it did with the large mosaic pieces. The accent wall is actually the focal point in the room. And so when people walk into the room, that is what I want them to be focused on. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know, comment below what you think of the space. Do you think it flows better, or do you think it looked good previously? That's it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I'll see you on the next video.